Greetings dear learners. Welcome to official YouTube channel of SRN International School, Jaipur, Rajasthan. I am faculty of science at SRN International School. Today in this video I will be explaining the topic excretive system of chapter 11th of grade 7 science NCERT. Children, metabolic activities produce toxic wastes which should be thrown out of our body. The removal of waste materials produced in the cells of the living organisms is called excretion. The various waste materials produced in the cells of the human body are carbon dioxide, sweat, and urea. The organs for the removal of waste materials in the human body are lungs, kidneys, sweat glands. Let us discuss one by one. Lung. Carbon dioxide is produced as a waste product in our body cells. During the process of respiration, when food is broken down to release energy, carbon dioxide is removed from our body by the lungs during exhalation. Thus, our lungs act as the excretory organs for removing the waste product called carbon dioxide from our body. Sweat. Sweat is a liquid waste of the body produced by sweat glands present in our skin. Sweat contains water, some salt, and little of urea. Sweat is removed from the body by sweat glands through the skin. Thus, sweating performs two functions. Sweating helps to remove excess water, some salts, and a little of urea as liquid waste from the body. Sweating helps to keep our body cool during hot summer days. Next is kidney. Urea is produced as a waste product by the decomposition of unused food proteins in the liver. Urea is removed from the blood by kidneys. Kidneys are the main excretory organs in our body. Urea is a poisonous substance which must be removed. If the urea and other wastes are not removed from the blood of a person constantly, the person will soon die. Our kidneys remove urea, excess water, and other unwanted salt from our blood. Excretive system in humans. Urea is a major waste product produced in our body. The urea and other unwanted salts dissolve in water in the body to form a yellowish liquid waste called urine. The excretory system collects the liquid wastes of the body like urine and helps get rid of them. The excretory system of human being consists of one pair of kidneys, one pair of ureters, a bladder, and a urethra. Let us discuss one by one. First is kidneys. The kidneys are being shaped towards the back of our body just above the waist. Every person has two kidneys. The decomposition of unused food proteins, the liver produce urea as waste. This urea goes into blood. The blood in our body is constantly passing through our kidneys. The function of kidneys is to filter the blood to remove urea. Each kidney contains thousands of tiny filters. called nephrons. When the blood containing urea and other waste salts passes through nephrons in the kidneys, the nephrons filter the blood and remove urea and other unwanted salt from it. The liquid left in the kidneys is a yellowish liquid called urine, which contains urea, other waste salts and excess water. The urine formed in kidneys goes into the bladder through the tube called ureter. Next is urinary bladder. The urine formed in kidneys goes into the bladder through the tubes called ureters. Urine is stored in the bladder is called urinary bladder. Next is urethra. The urine collected in urinary bladder is passed out from the body at regular intervals through the opening at the end of tube called urethra. Urine is a yellowish liquid which consists of 2.5% urea, 2.5 other waste salts and 95% water. An adult human being normally passes out 1 to 1.8 liters of urine per day. Children, if a person's kidney get damaged, doctors remove the body waste by means of a medical procedure called dialysis or kidney transplantation. The dialysis machine is also called an artificial kidney. Dialysis is the process of removing waste from the body of a person with the help of dialysis machine. In this process, blood from the artery of an arm is allowed to pass through the dialysis machine through tubes. It is then filtered to remove excess of salt and urea. The filtered blood is then transferred back to the body through a vein. In case of kidney transplant, the damaged kidney is replaced by a healthy kidney, which is donated by a human donor. So dear student, that was all about today's topic. I hope you must have understood well about excretion system in human. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel to get more knowledgeable videos. Thank you.